Pioneers, mount up, get ready. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The long wait is over. The dawn of a new era is upon us, bringing with it endless possibilities and opportunities. Pi Network's Mainnet launches today. This is not just a milestone, it's a giant leap forward for decentralized technology. February 20th, 2025, at 8 a.m. UTC, mark this date and time, for it will be remembered in history. This is a huge day for Pi Network. A day that signifies the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. We have been waiting for this moment for 6 years. 6 years of innovation, perseverance, and community building. We've been developing and testing. Our team has worked tirelessly to ensure that this launch is a success. Now it's time to celebrate. Let's rejoice in this monumental achievement and look forward to a brighter future. Pi Network is entering a new era, an era where decentralized finance becomes accessible to everyone. This is a historic moment, a moment that will redefine the way we think about and interact with digital currencies. Join us as we witness the power of decentralized technology. Be part of this groundbreaking journey. Get ready to be part of the future of finance, a future where financial freedom and inclusivity are within everyone's reach. Stay tuned for more updates. The revolution is here. Together, we are shaping the future. What is Pi Network? It's about making cryptocurrency easy. Anyone can mine Pi anywhere. You can mine it on your phone effortlessly. No need for expensive equipment or technical skills. Pi Network uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This uses very little energy. It's different from Bitcoin, it's different from Ethereum. Pi Network is eco-friendly, it's the future of mining. Pi makes crypto accessible to everyone. Join the movement. Attention pioneers, are you ready to take your Pi experience to the next level? Do you want to use your Pi coins for real-world transactions and experiences? To unlock the full potential of your Pi, you need to complete the KYC verification process. The deadline for KYC completion is February 28, 2025. KYC is crucial as it helps prevent fraud and ensures the integrity of our network. By verifying your identity, you contribute to keeping our network safe and secure for everyone. Once you complete the KYC process, you will be able to transfer your Pi coins seamlessly. Imagine using Pi for everyday transactions, from buying coffee to shopping online. Be a part of the growing Pi economy. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Complete your KYC today and join the future of digital currency. The Pi Network ecosystem is growing fast. With each passing day, more and more people are joining this revolutionary platform, contributing to its rapid expansion and success. We have 20 Mainnet apps already. These applications are designed to provide a wide range of services, from financial transactions to social networking, all within the Pi ecosystem. These apps offer amazing services. They are user-friendly, secure, and innovative, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient for our users. They are built on the Pi network. Our dedicated developers are constantly working to improve and expand the functionality of these apps, ensuring they meet the needs of our growing community. Pi Network is also listed on MEXC, and guess what? This is just the beginning. Our presence on major exchanges is a testament to the trust and value the market sees in Pi. It's going to be listed on more exchanges soon. This will provide even more opportunities for our users to trade and invest in Pi. Look out for HTX, Gate.io, and BitGet. These platforms will soon feature Pi, making it easier for you to access and trade. Even Binance wants to list Pi. Remember, safety first, protect your private keys, be aware of scams, do your research, invest wisely. Your security is our priority. The future is bright for Pi Network. Pioneers, mount up. Together, we are building a decentralized future where everyone can participate and benefit. Subscribe, like, and follow for more. Stay updated with the latest news and developments. Join us on this exciting journey.